Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Are you facing the AFK journey error code 32012 and don't know what to do? Well, worry no more, you've come to the right place. Error code 32012 in AFK journey is usually a result of a bug in the game, but fear not, there are simple steps you can follow to resolve this issue. Firstly, check for any new updates for AFK journey. Pending updates often carry bug fixes and improvements, so if you spot any, install them right away. Once the update is installed, restart your device and check if the pesky error still persists. Another possible cause of this error could be team swapping. It has been observed that when players swap teams, the game fails to swap artifacts correctly due to a bug. This could trigger the error code 32012. To fix this, try swapping artifacts between your teams and then check again. If the error is still there, patience might be your best strategy. Give it some time and then check again. If you're the type to go the extra mile, consider reinstalling the game. Uninstall AFK Journey, restart your device, and then reinstall the game. To summarize, error code 32012 in AFK Journey can result from a game bug, issues with team swapping, or an outdated version of the game. The fixes include updating the game, swapping team artifacts, waiting it out, or reinstalling the game. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe, it will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.